There is a severe laches which we pointed out in our argument. Today is the result of such a investigation.
कैपिटल पनिशमेंट हम लोग मांगा था सीबीआई का तरफ से। कोर्ट जो बोला ये रियरेस्ट मैटर नहीं है, इसलिए हम फांसी का सजा नहीं सुना रहे।
All eyes were there towards Shialda Court, where on Monday the pronouncement of quantum of punishment was supposed to take place. The quantum of punishment was declared and life imprisonment until death was given to Sanjay Roy, who has been the main guilty, is the guilty of raping and murdering a 31 years old female doctor who was a student there. Now under section 64, which is rape, under section 66 of BNS, which is rape and then death, and 103 clause 1, rape and murder, he was shown guilty under all these three BNS sections. But even after studying everything, even after all this trial and hearing all the sides, the judge stated that he feels that this is not a rarest of rare case, and that's why life imprisonment until death was given to him. Now there the question is what happened in the court. Around 12:36 the judge came and the judge asked to produce Sanjay Roy, who is the main accused in this case, and now who is the accused and then now proven guilty. He stood in that witness box. He was told by the judge that under section 64, under section 66 and 103 clause 1, he has been found guilty by the court. Does he want to say something? At that point of time, Sanjay Roy said, what he said on Saturday is that he has been framed, he was wearing a Rudraksh Mala and he did not do it, he was tortured. After hearing all these things, the judge told him that he wanted to ask about the quantum of punishment, what type of punishment he wants. That was only a question that the judge asked Sanjay Roy, and also the judge asked that whether anybody in the family is there or not who is in touch with Sanjay Roy. At that point of time, Sanjay stated that his mother is there but nobody keeps in touch. Then the crucial part came in where the CBI projected in their judgment, projected in their submission that they feels that this is the rarest of rare case. If capital punishment is not given, then the confidence of the society will not come. Confidence of the society has gone by this heinous crime. Then the parents' lawyer also stated almost the same thing. They stressed on the point that it is a rarest of the rare case, they believe, and highest form of judgment should be given. After that, the counsel of Sanjay Roy, she came up, the lady who was representing Sanjay Roy, she stated that there should, referring to lot of Supreme Court judgment, she stated that this jail is a reformation center and punishment can give reformation. Now there should be evidence brought in which shows that this person cannot be reformed, and only then capital punishment should be considered. That's what was the logic of Sanjay Roy's lawyer, which she stressed with various other cases. The court started, the judge stated that judge will write the judgment, and he took almost more than 1 hour. Around 2:45, the judge stated that under 64, under 66, under 103 clause 1, he has been found guilty, but the judge feels It is not the rarest of the rare case, and 50,000 50,000 was charged on him, and also he spoke about compensation. When that compensation thing was declared by the judge, that point of time, Abhaya's parents were literally broken today. They stated they don't need compensation. The judge that point of time stated that it is not they are giving money and to show something, it is statutory, and that's why they are giving, they have declared about this compensation. The parents, they were broken inside the court, and they only stated what they need is justice. So this is where the quantum of punishment, where there was an expectation that capital punishment will be given, that became life imprisonment, and that came also as a big blow for the people who were doing movement for Abhaya.